Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see the 2 marks questions that are likely to be asked in 2020 examination. So let us start with the first question. Here is the first question on the screen. If the 7th term of an AP is 1 by 9 and its 9th term is 1 by 7, find the 63rd term. Friends, here the 7th term is given as 1 by 9. So 7th term, which is denoted by A7, which is equal to 1 by 9, and A7 is written as A plus 6D is equal to 1 by 9. So multiply by 9 throughout the equation, and so it will be 9A plus 9 6 the 54D, which is equal to 1, and let this be equation number 1. Now the second condition is given that 9th term is 1 by 7, so A9, that is equal to 1 by 7. So A9 is written as A plus 8D, which is equal to 1 by 7. So multiply by 7 throughout the equation, so it will be 7A plus 8 7s are 56D, which is equal to 1. This equation be 2. Now here if you see equation 1 and 2, we see that this is equal to 1 and this is equal to also 1. So these two should be equal, and therefore from 1 and 2 we can say that 9A plus 54D, which is equal to 7A plus 56D. So if you take 7A to other side, it will be 9A minus 7A, so that will be 2A, which is equal to, if you take 54 to the other side, it will be 56D minus 54D, that is 2D. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we get A is equal to D. It means in the arithmetic progression, A and D are equal. A is a first term and D is a common term. Now here A and D are equal, so we will put A is equal to D in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Here we will put D is equal to A in equation number 1. So put in equation 1. So this will be 9A plus 54D. D we are replacing by A, so it will be 54A, which is equal to 1. So 9A plus 54A, that will be 63A, which is equal to 1, and so A is equal to 1 by 63. And since A is equal to 1 by 63, now we can find the 63rd term because A and D are equal. So 63rd term A63, that we have to find. So A63 can be written as A plus 62D. So which is equal to A plus 62D. D can be replaced by A, so it will be A plus 62A, that is equal to 63A. So put the value of A as 1 by 63. So 63 into 1 by 63. So 63 will get cancelled and you will get A63 is equal to 1. So the 63rd term of the given arithmetic progression will be 1. Here is the next question. If the sum of two natural numbers is 8 and their product is 15, find the numbers. Here it is given that the sum of the two natural numbers is 8. So let the first number be x. So the second number will be equal to 8 minus x, because the sum of that two numbers is 8. So out of that one number is x, so another number will be 8 minus x. And the second condition is given that their product is 15. So by condition by condition x into 8 minus x, that is equal to 15. So multiply by x inside the bracket. So it will be 8x minus x square, which is equal to 15. So this can be written as x square minus 8x minus 15, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Solve this equation by splitting the middle terms. So you will get the two factors as x minus 5 and another factor will be x minus 3, which is equal to 0. The product of these two brackets is 0. It means either this bracket should be 0 or this bracket should be 0, then the product will be 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 3, and therefore the required two values of x, that will be 5 and the another value will be 3. So if one value is 3, the other will be, one value is 5, other will be 3, and if one value is 3, the other will be 5. The next question is, if 7 sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 4, then show that tan a is equal to 1 by root 3. The given equation is 7 sine square a plus 3 cos square a, which is equal to 4. Here multiply by cos square a throughout the equation. So this will be 7 sine square a upon cos square a plus 3 cos square a upon cos square a is equal to 4 upon cos square a. Here sine square a upon cos square a, that is tan a. So this is 7 tan square a plus this cos square a will get cancelled and it will be 3, which is equal to 1 upon cos square a, that is sec square a. So it will be 4 sec square a. Now here this sec square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a. So 7 tan square a plus 3, which is equal to 4 into 1 plus tan square a. Multiply by 4 inside the bracket. So it will be 7 tan square a plus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 4 tan square a. Now take 4 tan square a to this side. So 7 tan square a plus 4 tan square a, that will be 3 tan square a. And take 3 to the other side. So which is equal to 4 minus 3, that will be 1. Now take 3 to this side. So it will be tan square a, which is equal to 1 by 3, and taking square root of both the sides, it will be tan a, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So hence it is proved. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have subscribed to it, thanks from the very core of my heart, and do not forget to like the video. So please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.